Love bird love.
Right? Damn, Zeke. It's got some moves, homie. Oh, he's doing the stanky leg. Damn, he's bobbing and weaving and everything. Damn, Zeke's a fucking pimp. Let me show you my wings, girl. Huh? Look at them. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm getting it now. I got her now.
What's that song? Shake your tail feather?
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Come on, shake your tail feather. Damn, look at the rhythm he's got. Shit. He's got some stamina.
Jealous?
Yeah, damn, Zeke. Got more state power than me, dude. Poor Mika. She's like, Jesus Christ, he molested me, and now you want to make pornos out of it.
She's got her wings all spread out.
Brown chicka, brown cow. Let me tuck my feather down here around you. Here, touch my feather. Touch my feather. Oh, shit. Damn, Zeke. He got the whole body rocking.
Pregnancy.